How to fix Discord not opening on Android. If any day you face problem on your Discord application opening on your very mobile device, then do not worry as we have got the perfect solution for this. For this, first of all, you need to check whether you are connected to a stable internet connection or not. It may be a Wi-Fi connection or it may be a data connection as well. After you check it, now you have to go to the next option that you need to search the very Discord application on your mobile device. For this, you have to go to the search icon on your mobile device and then tap Discord there. After you find Discord, you have to tap on Discord for a while. After you tap on Discord for a while, you can see the interface like this. Now you have to go to the option of the app information. After you tap on app information, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to go to the option of notifications and tap on notifications. After you go to notification, you need to enable allow notifications. You also need to enable allow sound and vibration. After that, you have to go back. After going back, you have to go to the next option, that is the option of permissions, and tap on permissions. After tapping on permission, you need to allow the permission to the camera, to the contacts, to the microphone, to the music and audio, to the nearby devices, to the notification, and to the photos and videos. After that, you have to go back again. After going back, you have to go to the next option, that is set as default, and tap on set as default. After you tap on set as default, you need to enable open supported links. After that, you have to go back again. After going back, you have to go to the next option, that is storage option, and tap on storage. When you tap on storage, you can see an interface like this. Now if you find any cache there, you have to clear down the cache and tap on clear cache. After you clear down the cache, you have to go back again. After going back, you have to scroll down until you find the option app details and store, and you need to tap on the option app details and store. After you tap on app details and store, your very application will be open on the Google Play Store, and if you see any update application option out there, you need to update your very application and tap on the option of update, and this way after your application will be updated, your very problem will be solved. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.